new playlist specifically for some of the stuff we collaborate. Holy crap! What up, everybody? So today we have a new series that we're going to be starting up. We're doing a special collaboration with the one and only Garage Idiots. I am actually heading up to Preston's shop right now. I'm going to be picking up his MR2 Bug Honda thing. I don't know what to call it. But we are working with Preston. We're going to be helping out with some of the fabrication on it. And the first thing that's going to be on the to-do list is to do the cage. The goal is we want to do an NHRA approved cage. I think we talked about in the mid 9 seconds, somewhere around there. So we're going to be going through all the rules and just make sure that he's got something built. So once this thing is done, if he wants to go drag racing and get it faster, he's not going to be limited by the cage. I'm sure there'll be a few other things that we're going to work on with him, but as a whole, the cage is the main priority. But we're looking forward to it, and we'll probably have 2 or 3 videos on this cage, and we are going to have a good time. Well, I made a mistake. I drove all the way across town and realized I forgot my straps, and Preston doesn't have a trailer, so he doesn't really have straps. So I had to run to Harbor Freight and just get some basic straps to get this thing tied down. Thankfully it's nice and light, so we don't have to get the expensive heavy-duty straps, but yeah, make sure you have your straps. A trailer is absolutely useless without straps. Well, it appears that we made it. Yoo-hoo! Ah. This place is a mess.
Yeah, it's a disaster. I thought I fixed that stupid electrical problem, and I just put the new starter in, and as soon as I touched the power together, it tried to start without the key in.
What? That's not good.
I thought I fixed it.
Wait a minute, this thing's backwards. I was totally confused. I was like, where's the engine? Oh, it's backwards. It's over there.
Yeah.
So we gotta get that onto there.
Yeah, we can do that.
And out there.
I can screw with this later.
Hey, it's the Jeep. Oh, I should have brought your head gaskets. I forgot. They did come in there.
Oh, crap.
I thought you were coming to my place.
Yeah.
I've had a long day. That thing is loud.
It is, yeah. I don't like that part about it. You would film that.
Yes. That is bad. That's one of those things you got to take it for your first drive, and you're like, why did I just destroy my... Oh.
Yeah.
There you go. Are you going to leave it open wheeled? That'd be cool.
I really want to. Everyone and their mom on the YouTube wants me to do fenders. But,
Really?
Yeah, but if we can make the front, like, that's what I was thinking with that bar connecting to the A-pillar. If we can make that look kind of nice, it probably... I don't know. If we can make it look cool enough, open wheeled, I'd like to leave it open.
What's the name for this rig?
This thing?
Yeah.
Turd bucket.
Turd bucket?
Turd bucket.
Well, it's a turd bucket with 2 turbos.
Only one of them does anything.
You never got the big one to spool?
No, basically. You never really know, because we're getting boost from that too.
Yeah.
But we get boost at like 2,500, so there's no way that gigantic ancient diesel turbo is doing anything.
That's crazy.
So, it's fun though.
That was anticlimactic, dude. It just went right up on there and was happy. Ah! Dope. I'm happy with that.
Hit my phone.
Not supposed to do that. It's even got a seat in it.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
I like it actually.
It actually looks really comfortable. Good position.
The headroom is
That's
fantastic.
amazing headroom. That's awesome, dude. All right, so I think we're about done here. We've got it strapped on the front. I did have one of my big straps in the truck, so that makes me happy. And then we used one, hold down the body, and 3 on the back. It should be fine. We're not going on a long journey, so we're supposed to be rated 1,000 pounds each, so I think we'll be fine with that. Yeah. So we're gonna be heading out. So you said I have free reign on this, right?
Yeah.
It's coming back LS swapped.
If you can fit an LS, do your thing.
It's the LS4. Remember, it sits sideways.
I don't want that.
Why? It's a 5.3. Nah, you can't take away from it.
I want to get a S10 chassis and LS swap that and then put a bug on it. The wheelbase is only 3 inches different.
You like your bugs.
It's easy, man. Take the body off and put on whatever. That one would be a lot simpler.
So yeah, I think that's going to be it for this side of it, and we'll get this back to my place, and we'll probably take it off the trailer. It'll be a day or so. I think Tuesday night. Today's Sunday, the what's today, the 8th?
Give or take.
Yeah, so Sunday the 8th, something like that. So Tuesday in a couple days, we'll pull it off. What's that?
Today's the 8th.
8th.
I forgot I had a phone.
Oh yeah. So we'll get this pulled off. The 10th is when we'll probably pull it in the shop, and yeah, we'll probably leave the body on it for mock-up for the first couple parts of the cage, and then pull it off and be able to go to town and get that. And then yeah, there's a bunch of little surprises that we'll have in store for Preston. Who knows what'll happen. All right, so I have the bug now. The bug thing, yeah, we'll call it the bug. And I'm heading back to my shop. It's gonna stay on the trailer tonight. Most likely me and Joe will unload it tomorrow and kind of get things assessed on Tuesday. I gotta pick up some steel for the roll cage. Most of it will be 1.5 and 1.75 DOM. Probably 083 wall. We don't, I wanna say it needs to be 63 wall, but for some of the bends we're going to do, 63 wall can be pushing it, and we don't really want to crack the tube. And honestly, from 63 to 83 is not that big of a weight difference for this, and heck, we might even go to 95 wall. It just depends on what's readily available. All right, so me and Preston were talking about these videos, and we're going to be posting up a new playlist specifically for some of the stuff we collaborate. Holy crap! Okay, so the craziest thing, this dude's tire literally just popped off and went to the other side of the highway. There it goes. I can't believe this. I feel so horrible for him. I can't stop. Oh, he's gonna hit him. Oh man, that was scary. That's horrible. His tire's up here. Where'd it go? Oh, that's horrible. I feel so bad for him. I hope he's okay. That was the craziest thing in the world. Funny story though, we actually had that happen to us on our TJ a few years back. Not good. Tire popped off. It became a habit with that TJ of wheels popping off at races and worst possible times. Actually, check out this video here. All right, so we're at the shop now. It is Monday, and it got cold. But Joe's here, so we're going to get the bug unloaded. What up, Joe?
What's up, everybody?
We got the bug. So I just left it on the trailer last night, but now we're going to actually position it and move it in here. Look at all that glorious space and that mess on the ground from Joe's CJ.
Yeah.
But oh, we got our camera fixed too, so next video will be back on the camera. Excited about that. Got a new lens for it. But yeah, so we're gonna get the bug unloaded, bring it in here, and So what do you think, Joe?
I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Be an interesting project, something we've never tried before.
If you're not following the Garage Idiots YouTube channel, make sure you get over there so you can see the history of this vehicle. It's a Toyota MR2 that has been cut and a VW bug that has been widened. And for a power plant, it's running a Honda.
It says Acura.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, so we're excited to get our hands on this, to work with Preston, and should be a lot of fun. All right, so now you know what's going on. We will have a new playlist that will be focusing on this vehicle and any other collaborations that we work with the Garage Idiots. It'll be Garage Idiots collaborations. So we'll have that with this video starting off, because this is the introductory video to what we're doing with it for Preston. Definitely looking forward to helping him out and getting this thing moving. I know he wants to have this thing drive, and he's been working on it a while, so I can only imagine. Make sure that you subscribe to both his channel as well as subscribe to our channel. And as I'm recording this, I saw that we hit 2,000 subscribers, so that's our next goal. So we're gonna draw a name, and in our next video, we'll announce the winner of who gets the next prize. Because we give away something every 500 subscribers. That's 2,000, we're giving something away. The next one will be 2,500. Okay, so that's what's going on. If you like the video, make sure you give us a big...
I like it.
That was just creepy. If you like it, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Hit the bell for notifications so you can get alerted when we post new videos on not just the bug, but all the other projects we have going on. From the CJ, you can see it behind me, to the Ultra 4 and everything else we have going down here at Team Olympus. We'll see you next time. Fist bump for you. Fist bump for you.